start exercise 7.1, page number 167. So you can start exercise on distance formula. So got no question, so I say the question number first. The question is find out the question the nimjai. Find out the to kitab the pan is broken, rough to your pan is broken, and you go on no down. Okay? Find out the distance between the following. Find out the distance between the following pairs of points. Pairs of points. Number first, 2, 3, comma, 4, 1. It's about the second part, second case. Given point which has minus 5, 7, comma, minus 1, 3. And third part has AB, comma, minus A, minus B. So, we have pointers in it. Actually, we have two pointers in distance. So, if we have no case, we have solution. So, actually, given point is 2, 3, comma, 4, 1. So, let 2, 3 have one is point C, point A se represent, 4, 1 is represent by point B. So, let the given points. Let the given points be A 2, 3 and B 4, 1. That means just 2, 3 points you could represent by point A and 4, 1 you could represent by point B. Then as per question, just find until distance AB by using distance formula. So therefore or now AB is equal to, nimja karo apply distance formula. Now AB is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which implies AB is equal to square root of. Now x1 was A got no ordinate, so 2. Then when you 2 minus x2 is 4, when 2 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus y2. y1 go A abscissa, y2 goes B abscissa. Then when you 3 minus 1 whole square, which implies AB is equal to square root of 2 minus 4 whole square, it is minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1, you go 2 whole square, which implies AB is equal to square root of minus 2 whole square, it is 4, plus 2 square, it is also 4, implies AB is equal to square root of 8 units, simply. So AB is square root 8 units, you got answer. That means distance between point A 2, 3 and point B 4, 1 is under root 8 units. So in the same way, could the distance between minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So x1, y1 was minus 5, 7, x2, y2 goes minus 1 to 3. And apply distance formula and get the distance. So third case, how upon it, third case choice, which has given points. A point choice AB, back point choice minus A minus B. So AB is represent say by A and minus A minus B is represent by B. So we will write here, let A, AB and B minus A minus B be the given points. Now AB, which has found distance AB. So now AB is equal to, again we will apply distance formula, it is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, implies AB is equal to square root of x1 go A, when A, minus x2 goes minus a. That means it is a minus into minus a. So when a plus a whole square plus y1 minus y2, y1 is b minus y2 is minus b. So it is minus into minus b. That is again plus b. It is plus b whole square. Okay? Which implies ab is equal to square root of, now a plus a is 2a whole square plus b plus b is 2b, b goes whole square. Now it implies AB is equal to square root of, now 2a whole square, it is 4a square, plus 2b whole square, so goes 4b square. So which implies AB is equal to square root of 4a square plus 4b square, actually 4 common, even square root of 4 into a square plus b square. Clear? So implies AB is equal to, now square root of 4 near alag means square root of a square plus b square near alag, and square root of 4 is 2, that is 2 under root of a square plus b square units. Is our answer. Okay? So if it goes question number 1, we were given 2 points and we have to find distance between these two given points. So in khatra kya kore, ak point tho as a, byak tho b, then apply distance formula and get distance AB. So now we will take up question number 2. Now question number 2 karna bro, yad lecture number 2 means that if we have a point origin, say O, agar is origin पर as कुंते point distance छाने, say it is point A with coordinates x, y. Okay? And we know the coordinates of origin are always 0, 0. So अगर निम्जा करो apply distance formula, by distance formula OA क्या बनते, under root of, now x1 it is 0, x1 minus x2 is x, even till 0 minus x, that is minus x whole square, say, plus y1 minus y2, even have 0 minus y, that is minus y whole square, or OA is equal to under root of, you go minus x whole square is x square, plus minus y whole square is y square. So under root of x square plus y square, it is distance OA. अमुक मतलब गो I will revise it. अश कोर एक फिर कि अगर इस काथी point आसे point A with coordinates x, y, it image distance हाँडो from the origin, then tel क्या बन image distance by distance formula. So when under root of m की coordinates निमो इस अश निम करन consider है कि 0, 0 त्राओ पत्थर, origin त्राओ पत्थर. So it is under root of x square plus y square. For example, अगर मैं कह point P with coordinates 2, 5, ठीक, so at क्या is distance from the origin, so I see under root of, yes, 2 square plus 5 square, so the m की coordinates be called square, even the under root of 4 plus 25, that is under root of 29. So in this way we can get distance of any point from the origin. ठीक है, here question is question number 2. Find out the distance between the points 0, 0 means origin, 0, 0 and 36, 15. So this question, देखो question says find the distance, find out the distance between the points 0, 0 means origin, and second given point is 36, 15. Like this. Say, in a solution demo, let's go here, distance, and let O 0, 0 without origin, and without is point A, suppose A 36, 15 be the two given points. Therefore, OA, what will be OA? It will be under root of, yes, you throw pathar. So when under root of 36 square plus 15 square direct. Because A distance cutting from the origin. So when the OA is equal to under root of, yes, you go x, agar thawun x y, You go origin 0, 0. Then क्या distance of x, y from origin? Under root of x square plus y square. So then OA is equal to under root of x square goes 36 square plus y square goes 15 square. Or OA is equal to under root of, you could solve 36 square plus 15 square. Yeah, it need 8 units by that answer. And in this way, you can get distance of point 3615 from the origin. Clear? Let's put question number 3 is better. Question number 3. Now question number 3 is important, may be asked in the examination. Now question number 3 is determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are collinear. Now she has question about, we have to find whether the given points are collinear. Now what means collinear? Collinear get tum points, you must straight line बनाओ. Say अगर बता point निम, say point A, point B and point C. अगर point A, point B to point C वासन like गसा, वासन like करें x line पे, straight line पे. Then we can say these 3 points are collinear. ठीक है? अस के पट गस चेक अगर अस जो पॉइंट गिवन से अस थवन पॉइंट ए ये 1, 5 ठीक ब्याक पॉइंट 2, 3 लेट इट बी पॉइंट बी 2, 3 थवन पॉइंट बी ब्याक पॉइंट -2, -1 थवन पॉइंट सी -2, -1. Now we have to see whether 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are they collinear. So known to we tel collinear yelim x line पे आसन सो गो collinear same line lying in the same line ये किफर गस है चेक कि छा x line पे किन किन से वुशो अगर इफर्टस न्यू पॉइंट ए थो में अख पॉइंट बी थो में ब्याक पॉइंट सी थो में ब्याक पॉइंट अगर हम आसन x line पे दैट मींस अत आस ए बी प्लस बी सी अगर नम ज पार्ट करो ए बी नमन अख पार्ट प्लस करोस बी सी पार्ट length of AB plus length BC, so is equal to length AC, then they will be collinear. Now see, अगर बह थावन point A निम जाए, B थावन निम जाए, C थावन निम जाए, से अलग अलग थावन एक सी लाइन पे की. Now if I will join AB part plus निमुन BC part, your निमुन AC part, से अगर तो हम जाए वुचू AB plus करो BC, so as greater than AC because umte point बनावन tel x triangle अगर A B C आसन x triangle x line में tel बनावन triangle की tel as A B plus B C बराबर AC अगर हम आसन non collinear अलग अलग आसन x line पे की आसन collinear की tel आसन non collinear then A B plus B C so as greater than AC because 3 non collinear points will form a triangle. And we know sum of 2 sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So, क्या करो इस तेल ये चेक करने खतर कि A, B to C given 3 points छा collinear. What you will do इसलिए को let A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -1 be the given 3 points. So you check करने खतर कि छा collinear. What we will do? Yes, we will find first AB कड़ो AB length of AB बे कड़ो length BC बे कड़ो length AC 3 length कड़न इसलिए खो now AB you करो तो पाने it is your assignment AB length छाने by using distance formula get AB near key units then get BC by using distance formula, apply distance formula, get BC, it near key units, you will find it yourself. AB kudu, BC standun, and third part is full part AC and AC. Apply distance formula, get AC, some units needy. So you now AB, dry key units, BC, near key units, and AC. Impulse karavis check. Impulse you now. अगर तो AB plus BC draw equal to AC. तो लिखो now AB प्लस BC इज इक्वल टू करो उन दोन लेंथन ऐड सह नेर कह कहीं अगर सह आव इक्वल टू AC तो लिखियो नाव AB प्लस BC उन दो पन पन वैल्यू अगर सह आव इक्वल टू AC लिखियो therefore A, B and C are collinear. अगर निम जाए AB प्लस BC सह आव नॉट इक्वल टू AC ठीक है अगर AB प्लस BC नॉट इक्वल टू आव AC तो लिखियो therefore A, B and C are not collinear ठीक है सो इफर गस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 complete you could पाने complete it is your assignment and tomorrow inshallah we will take up question number 4 okay खुदा हाफिज